You stand there staring at me. Eh? You know what I came here for? You think you can come into my compound and start shouting? Chelo, I'm shouting. Hey, like a lunatic now. Remember. You dare not insult me. Don't call me a lunatic. I only say you shout like what? Now let me tell you why I am here. One, that your brother, where? I don't want to see him near my family. You should stay away from my family.
Which family?
How? It is good that you are here. Face to face. Stay away from my nephew. Yes. I was going to warn him.
Chalago, it's your Ofoka. You, in my nephew. Do you have a brother in one? Do people like you have a one? Who is your nephew?
You see, you are the one giving him the guts to challenge me. Go on.
Oh wait. Oh, you are talking about Ebuka. Oh, okay, now I understand. If he's challenging you, why don't you give him what belongs to him? Simple. Why are you holding his rights?
Okay. But one day you can talk to him. I will not warn him again. I'm just giving you the respect. Warn him.
A heartless man.
I was going to tell you that Ishi of Foka is heartless. You said it yourself. Meaning that you know. But whatever it is that you are doing to provoke him, please stop it. Huh?
I should stop it. Brother, if I don't stop it, he will come and beat me, isn't it? He'll beat me. But tell me, brother, let me tell you, you see that cap on his head is a bunch of suffering. People like that man will continue to suffer forever and ever.
Let me go and take my seat.
Why is business this slow tonight?
Sometimes business can be like this. I mean, this reminds me that so-called guys are actually with their wives.
Please don't remind me that we have to share them with those fat pigs.
Those fat pigs happen to be the real owners of these guys. Have you forgotten?
I know, but you don't need to remind me. Thank you.
You know, honestly, times like this really reminds me of the fact that those guys are not ours. Jerry, I am thinking of getting a man of my own. I need to settle down. I mean, have my own kids.
A young man? What have they got to offer apart from their useless manhood? Like that idiot called Ebuka.
Honestly, Ebuka is a nice guy. You don't know that guy. Just that life is just unfair to him.
That is the problem. He wants to mingle with people like me when we are not of the same class. Anyway, I hope he got the message today.
You saw him again?
Well, I don't see people like him. They see me. He saw me and I taught him a very good lesson today.
What did that guy do to you?
Exactly what I should do to a poor boy like him. Please, let's concentrate and wait for our potential clients than talk about some irrelevant people like Ebuka.
Jenny, you need to leave that guy. Leave him alone. Oh!
Waiter!
Uncle, good afternoon. Luca, good afternoon. Everyone? Why? What's the problem? Are you okay? I guess you forgot that we are supposed to go and see Ugu for the log of wood that he talked about that we're supposed to go and pick for him.
I did not forget. I lost interest.
You did what? You lost interest. Edo, Ebuka. What is this? What in there? Ebuka. Did you get into a fight? Huh?
I was fighting for what rightfully belongs to me.
Ebuka, don't tell me that you actually got into a fight with your uncle. Why? What would that benefit you?
That man has been a thorn on my flesh, but that's not the point. The problem here is my girl, Jenny. Uncle Jennifer used to worship me. Jennifer used to adore me. Jennifer used to cherish me. In fact, my happiness was her priority number one when I was a big boy, when my parents were still alive. But now, Uncle, Jennifer treats me like a nobody just because I'm poor. Poverty is a disease.
Yeah, I know, but imagine what you talk about. How can you allow the feelings of a woman to rule you? How?
Uncle, you don't understand. She now drives a car and splashes mud water on me each time she drives past.
Ebuka, how can you allow the feelings of a woman to motivate you? That is destruction. That is total destruction. Anyway, Ugu is waiting for us. Are we going to buy the wood or not? Let's go and buy the wood.
Uncle, how long are we going to continue like this? Breaking, buying and selling woods. Are we going to become rich this way? Come on, I'm tired of this. As a matter of fact, I have been contemplating on what you said. If I don't make a move, nothing will move.
Nothing. Nothing will move. Nothing will move. As a matter of fact, you know, Ebuka, I swear to God Almighty, I have been serving God purely. The church is a place I go. The church is like my heart. But guess what? All of a sudden, it's as if everything that has been happening to me in life is an architecture of God Almighty. And I begin to wonder, is there God after all, or is he the one doing this? I don't believe in God anymore.
Uncle, I don't want to interfere in your relationship with God. No. But the truth is, this is the right time for me to make a move. I am tired of this state.
Okay, I invite you to party. You know to invite you. It's one convoy. It's one that light. You want them to get a lot of bouncing. Yeah. Badass. Yeah, in the building. day. Free daddy yo, emi gangan no contact. Power set, circular. We get money, no people too popular. That flower down, no show for cooler. I'm Virgin Atlantic, go to Tsunari. Us in the list, oh one leg. All I know, I look at slow one leg. They won't trust me with level, one kofo. I'm in my open. Pass me the mania. Where we be balling, we're live, we're funny. Live, we're funny. Bag of don't so we're changing the money.
It's not picking. Are they pick? No, he's a big boy now. Maybe he's very busy. He's always busy. It's not picking. It's not picking. Are you sure this is your guy? Are you close to him? Yes, sir. He grew up here with his parents. We went to the same school. But when they transferred his father to Ghana, they now relocated. Oh, that means you guys are almost of the same age then? Yes. Well, he's a big boy now. He has money. He's very big in Ghana. I'm convinced deep down that he can help me. Oh, this one that is not picking your call. Anyway, no problem. Maybe you call him later now. Like you say, he's busy, right? Anyway, Ebuka, I think it's better for us to go and meet Ugu. And then at least, let's make do for now with the one that's giving us money. Let's buy the wood that he's talking about. At least from there, I ain't if it good. Meanwhile. But we'll stop at Mamaka's place. Let's eat first. I'm hungry. I want to name more.
Awesome. Brother, if you think I will leave you like this, then you are confused. I don't like the way you are doing with that boy.
Brother, this is about my firewood business, isn't it? Brother, permit me to ask you one question.
Okay.
What do you expect from me? No, I mean, what can you eventually do for me? Is there anything you can do for me? Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
I am not talking about what you call work. I have already accepted my fate as the brother of a firewood seller. It is fine. But I don't like the way you are going about with that small boy. It is demeaning.
Demeaning? I mean, what do you mean by demeaning? My hanging out, Ibuka, how is it demeaning?
That boy is like your kid brother. Or even your son.
And so what? What has that got to do with anything? No, since when did it become a crime for me to dine and wine with my own junior brother?
I don't like the way you are doing it. Now, that boy is like the master, and you his boy. Eh? You go to his house. Every other day you take a break from your firewood cutting. Nonsense. Eh?
Brother, for your information, my going to Ebuka's house does not mean anything insultive. As a matter of fact, Ebuka still respects me as if the same way I was still living when I had money. But the problem I have is actually you. You are the only person in this world that actually gives me heartache. The way you insult me, the way you carry my name about. Brother, let me just tell you, God knows I don't want to insult you. I don't want to insult you, I swear.
What? I was only trying to get close to him the way you advised.
Really? Or push him away further? The only reason he goes to Ebuka all the time is because his only brother sees him as a waste since he lost his job.
Osondo, do you want to continue life like this? Is this the kind of life you want? I keep ignoring my brother's words. But he is right. My life is meaningless. Imagine me, cutting and selling firewood. What future do I have in this? Osondo, what future do you have in this?
Who is that?
It's me. Open the door, please.
I beg, just I don't want to see anybody. Just go away, I beg, please. Just leave me alone.
Awesome, it's me. Open the door for me.
For God's sake, leave me alone. I said I want to be alone, please. Biko. Biko. Charlie.
Kofi, my man. Kofi lala, Kofi lala, Kofi lala.
I'm so sorry. It has been a busy day.
I understand. Thanks for calling me back.
Of course. Sure. Anyway, what's up with you? How is Nigeria?
I just did, man. Just there, normal level.
Listen, if a place is not good for you, it is up to you to live there. My father would always say.
Yes, sir. But please, I want to find out. You once told me that if I wish to come to Ghana, that I'm free. Is the slot still open?
Charlie, come on. It is wide and open. The offer is still open. It's up to you. Ebuka, listen. Whenever you are ready to come down to Ghana, just hit my line. Give me a call and I'll make arrangements to get you.
Thank you very much. I'm coming. It's not anytime I'm ready. In fact, my brother, see you soon in Ghana.
Charlie, come on. What you will do? Ebuka, listen, there are a lot of things you can do here in Ghana. Sure. If you can't find one, I will fix you into the line of my own business. Yes, I will fix you in my line of business. Come on, I know you're a very smart guy. You do very well.
Thank you very much. Dope. Kofi lala.
Ebuka, you will never change. Charlie, come on. Don't worry, I understand.
One love, man, I appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Well, he's not just my brother, but equally an ego. But I don't want that to bias my mind.
Fine words and words.
You know you cannot just trust people into this business without testing them.
Kofi, that's true.
Come on, guys. Did any one of you here heard me very well when I said I want to school this guy?
And that should be how many years ago?
It doesn't matter. He was about the smartest in our class then.
How does that qualify for this business?
Everything. You see, Ebuka is smart. He's very smart. That qualifies him in this business. All we need to do is to coach him.
Yeah, indeed, coaching.
Come on, guys. Let's help the brother. That guy is suffering and dying, going through hell over there. It will not cost you and I anything to help him.
Not like we can stop you now that we started the process. Well, I pray.
Come on, man, I'm cool. You can bring him in.
Much better. Much better.
Uncle, I have good news. Uncle, I have good news. You know that my friend Kofi? Kofi called me. He asked me to join him in Ghana. Life. Wow. Wait, that's your the one you talked about? Yes, now that my friend in Ghana now, the big boy now. He called and said I should come over. Life. I'm happy for you. Thank you very much. I mean, that simply means that your life has started again. No. Our lives. Our lives. Our lives. Did he ask you to bring me to Ghana? Uncle, once I'm made, you are made. I can't be rich and watch you suffer. It's not possible. I never see teacher. Ibuka, let me share this. Let's cheers. Cheers. So, talk of Ghana. What are you going to do about transport? How do you intend to raise the money? Uncle, road though, I don't know. Flight though, I don't know. But I must get to Ghana. You know, I heard about this, they call it a flower.
Where is he? Eh? Where is that idiot? Inside that house, Papa. I know who come along also. Eh? Ebuka! Ebuka! Kele! Where is he? Kele bono? Kele nyara? Papa there. Yeah? Ebuka. Did I not warn you not to go to that farmland near the market? In Abudala? I told you to stay away from that farmland. How dare you flaunt my orders? In Abudala? Start talking. Talk, I know. Look, it seems I am lenient with you. Ebuka, let me tell you, if you dare set foot on that land again, look, let me tell you, what you received in my house the other day, when did he even go to that farm? It should be at the middle of the night. When you have okay. I'm going to go with that one. You don't think anything here, Papa? Yeah? Where is he going with the bag? So, look, if anything is missing in this village, I said it that he's associating with cursed people. He is going to try to ruin the image of this family. We need to leave this place, Papa. Don't worry. If any person reports that something is missing in this village, I'll look for you. I said, Ango. Are you sure we're not going to check that bag?
Then Mesha, this is one love, man. This is fine. Then guys, this is Ebuka. Yes, the guy I told you about. Come and sit down. Sit down.
Kofi. Ah, boy, Ghana fine. Ghana is very fine.
Yes.
Man, I'll call Charlie.
How was the flight?
Very fine.
Good. Have you eaten?
I'm not hungry.
Really?
Your house soft.
Leave the
Kofi, your house soft.
Ebuka, leave the house. Have you eaten?
The setting don't for my plate.
Guys, is there anything in the kitchen? Yeah, Charlie.
Kofi.
This is it.
Yeah.
Specially prepared for you.
My room.
Yes, I hope you will like it here.
Hey. The room is soft.
Anyway, relax. Freshen up so we can go out and eat. If I said there's nothing in the kitchen at all.
Alright.
Yes.
Please, meanwhile, I have a question. Don't feel I'm being too forward though.
No.
But I need to know. If and what's the other one's name? Mensa. Do they stay here with you?
Freshen up. I'll meet you up front. Alright?
Thank you very much.
Go feel that is my mind level. If I go see your neck. If hey! My guy is coming off. It's relaxing.
So what's up?
Cool. What?
Is it just me? Or did anyone notice his look? And sounded naive?
Naive? Of course not.
I think so too.
Come on guys, we've been through this before. This is first time of Charlie out this country. What were you guys expecting? Well, if you ask me, he's doing better than any other guys would in their first day.
That's not the point. Can he do this business? I mean, can you understand what we're doing here without being judgmental?
Mesa, please leave that to me and the prophet. Okay? I brought him to Ghana and I'll be able to coach him well.
Well, answer. It's up to you.
Yes, up to me. I will coach him right. Not when you guys are doing nothing else than to judge me, discouraging me. If I this is your own brother, aren't you happy to help your own?
You are missing the point.
No, I'm not missing any point if I am. You are not be happy with this and I don't like it. And I know that you stand not to lose just to help me.
Well, dude, we are just watching out for ourselves.
Well, thank you for watching out for me, but he is here already. Okay? I'm not going back. Alright? I wake up and face the reality. And nobody's working.
this why I'm here? Did I travel all the way from Nigeria to Ghana just to come and eat, drink, watch telly every blessed day? No. This is not why I'm here. I can't continue like this. But at the same time, I don't want to sound too forward. I love Ghana. Manadimaka Kochali. I love Ghana. Manadimaka Kochali.
Aha! Where is he? Kere? Where is he? Where is he? Yeah? Kere, where is he? Where did you send my nephew to? Kere, Kere Bono.
Good afternoon.
Hey, Jide Kenegu. Do I look like someone who is here to exchange pleasantries with you? Where have you sent my nephew to?
You have come to ask me.
Yes?
Of his whereabouts.
Yes. Onyeka Maju, you are the one responsible. You are the one confusing him. Telling him what to do and what not to do. Where is he, Kere?
I don't want to insult you, but can you listen to yourself how stupid you sound?
Chelo, Mama stupid. You are calling me stupid.
I'm not taking that back. You claim to be Ebuka's cousin. And yet you have come to ask of his whereabouts for an ordinary kinsman like me.
Yeah? I will ask you, but let me warn you. If anything happens to that boy, wait,
Ofoka. If he did not tell you of where he was going, you know why? Because he does not want you to know.
Ofoka, you surprised me. When Ebuka was around, you and your sons suppressed him. Now that he has left,
Suddenly.
you even took away.
Suddenly.
You even took away all that his parents left for him. Now that he's no longer around, you are now pretending as if you care.
Let me just pretend that I did not hear the rubbish you two are talking about. But let me warn you, if anything happens to Ebuka, hey, you will now know what Ofoka can do.
Shameless man.
Why is he suddenly showing care about me?
Because he's not showing care. He's just frustrated because he does not know of his whereabouts. Onya, maybe.
Well, have you heard from this?
Ebuka called me as soon as he landed in Ghana. And I'm shocked. He is very busy now trying to settle down. What also? Ebuka do okay.
Okay.
Ebuka do okay.
What? Hi. Oh, I forgot to put something on the fire. Let me check. Before I'll be here listening to Ichi or Foka.
Charlie, I can't believe you're watching this phone passive. Come on, get in and get wet.
I don't know how to swim.
So for the fact you don't know how to swim, must you die a sinker?
Kofi, this is not why I'm in Ghana.
You're not happy, right?
I've spent over 1 month here. Is this why you... Come on. I have people at home. They are counting on me.
Money is all you whine about, Charlie. You want to make your own money on time.
Bro, this is not why I'm in Ghana. I have people at home.
But they're not expecting you to become a millionaire under 1 month.
At least I should be working towards something. I can't just fold my arms and eat, drink, swim.
Alright, okay, I have enough of that. Listen, I brought you to Ghana, okay? So let me do what I promised.
Please, can I at least know your plans?
Not here. We can discuss that here. At least with time I will unveil everything to you. Just chill, okay? But meanwhile, you are looking at the phone. Yeah, back to you, baby. Give me some kiss. Wow! Yeah, that's beautiful. You're fine. How you doing there? I can see you having a good time. Take this.
Yeah, that's it.
Wow, you see you inside, you know. Listen now, brother. Don't worry, I'll get it done for you, all right?
Kofi, you should have made it clear to them that you will never see them again.
How did you know that?
Come on, Kofi, I'm not a dummy. I've been around for 1 month. And I have never seen you with any girl twice.
That's a smart one, dude. You've been very, very observant.
Now tell me. Why do you keep changing girls?
Where do I keep changing girls? Well, I wanted to discuss business with you. But since you've chosen your own line of business discussion, so let's just hit it.
No offense, I take grace. I'm only business the top woman. Please forgive my manners. Let's talk business.
Ebuka, the reason I left you idle this while is because, one, I needed to observe you closely. so as to be convinced and be sure that you're ready to hustle. And I needed you to prove to me that you're ready, which was what you did by the pool today. I mean, have you ever imagined why I barely leave this castle?
I can't say for sure, but I've been seeing you with laptops, you and your friends, so I was like, maybe you guys are into belonging, addicted to social media.
So I did. I must have given you a head start then. Being the smart dude that you are, you must have tried to figure out what kind of work do I do from home.
Yeah, because you barely go out and you make money, I don't understand.
So you think the money I spent, I make it from blogging? Or you think I built this house and my rented apartment from the money realized from blogging? Come on, do you smart like that? Don't disappoint me.
I'll just try not to be too forward. So now tell me, what do you do for a living?
Anyway, I and my friends are internet millionaire, but we certainly have never tried blogging. You see, this business is very easy and creative, but you have to be computer literate before you can do it. So, are you?
I'm computer literate. That's not a problem.
Good. Beautiful. Then I will get you a laptop, take you to see the prophet to pray for you. From there, you will make your first million. Don't worry. Tomorrow we'll start the process. Let me go take a nap. You know, I just walked the two girls. I need to go and take my rest. Hey, Ghana! Enjoy Ghana. Enjoy Ghana. Enjoy Ghana.
I love Ghana.
Yeah, enjoy Ghana. Hey, Buka, it's my phone, man. I don't know where it is.
I love Ghana. I love Ghana.
Are you okay? Come in. Who is that? Are you okay? We heard you scream.
I'm okay, I'm okay.
Let me in, let me in.
The door is open.
What was that?
I just had a dream. Just a dream.
You mean that just because of a mere dream, you almost screamed down this house?
Is he okay?
You need to find out. Because if it was because of a male dream that he almost screamed down this house, then something is certainly wrong.
Osondu, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Just had a dream, that's all. Just had a dream.
People dream every day.
Actually, I don't.
Osondu, you don't dream?
None that I can remember though.
Or it's because of Ichio forecast threats?
Worried because you've not heard from him for some time now.
Tata, Afoka's threat is nothing. Ebuka does not know anyone in Ghana. Aside from his classmates that he talked about. I just hope that boy is alright. As a matter of fact, I shouldn't have allowed him to leave, honestly.
Like you could have stopped him?
At least, I could have discouraged him. Huh? Only God knows how he's faring.
Are you thinking he may be dead?
God forbid. God cannot allow that poor orphan to die like that. Bannon.
Not like God is even fair enough. I'm a typical example. Sometimes I wonder if God truly exists.
So it is true that you are at loggerhead with God now. You see, Osondu, I am not an ardent Christian. But the way you just spoke about God now is evil. It is not good.
Brother, why bring God into this one? I am simply talking about how Ebuka is faring in Ghana. And about the dreams that I had about him. Why bring God? Eh? Does God even exist? I think I have to be real, I think.
That man that just said that is not my brother. I knew loves God. And he's a preacher, right?
You thought I was joking when I told you that he gave up on God. I pray that God doesn't give up on him because he's going to be disastrous.
Hold on now, see the number and I'll call you. We'll never do the transfer. Thank you. Jesus is Lord. I'm rich. I'm made. I'm rich. This is a lifetime changing a lot. I'm made. Hey! It don't happen. It don't happen. I love Ghana, man. I love Ghana. Man, I love Ghana, man.
Ebuka, what is it? It don't happen. Ebuka, what is it? It don't happen. Yeah. What happened? It don't happen. Ebuka, go in. Ani, Mensa, my mother don't pay. Call me. Millionaires! If you believe in miracle, let me hear around that millionaire, man! Yes. Yes. Ghana don't pay me. Hey, Charlie. Welcome to the club of millionaire. This is the last club.
This is just the beginning, man. Welcome, brother, man.
You have done well. The Almighty loves he who that makes a promise and fulfills it. Go ahead. Give the Almighty what he promised. Lekwe shamarama. Laha shamarama. Lekwe laha shamarama. Somotu. You gave with a clean heart, and the Almighty is pleased with your sacrifice.
May the Almighty be praised.
Go forth, servants of the Almighty. He has promised to replenish your pockets, and he is very faithful to his promises. Go forth.
May the Almighty be praised. But people don't become millionaire in less than 1 year. Once you get home now, people will ask questions. They want to know the source of your wealth. To me, I felt you should stay for like 1 year or two before going home. That means you don't know my people. Yes. Let me tell you what it is. Once you're made in life, once you're successful, people will keep celebrating you and forget to question your source of income. So something like that. Well, I've stayed in Nigeria. I know how they think. Well, even at that, I don't know what it is. Okay, no problem. But remember, you are not supposed to stay outside the temple in less than 2 months. You mean I'm not supposed to stay outside Ghana for 2 months? Yes, we are not supposed to stay outside the temple in less than 2 months. Once in a while, we must go to the temple. Please, when you get to Nigeria, remember that. Okay, I will call my travel agent to book a flight, and I also make plans for security to get it straight to Nigeria, if you need anyway. It's alright. But I'm not just too down with this, you're going back home. It's alright, brother.
Now, this is the reason I do not want to buy a car. I mean, what is all this? What?
Are you okay? You don't want to buy a car because you fear it might break down on the road?
Sweetheart, I just do not want disappointment in my life. I don't want all this drama. Don't you get it?
I can see what you want is poverty and maybe some sense.
Jenny, you're not insulting me right now, are you?
I'm not insulting you, just stating the fact. Tell me, what sensible girl will prepare to jump taxis instead of driving her own car? Who is your boss?
Don't you know my boss? This way.
But come on, maybe you have been communicating with the wrong people.
Exactly. I believe so too. I do. But tell me, why is this so? Why? How come I've always hooked up with the people that always tells me at the first contact that I'm a fraudster? And in the end, all they do is abuse me, curse me, curse my mother, curse my life. But yet, all this while that I've been here, every day by day, just like now, all I see you guys do is to receive a lot in your accounts, one by